Good morning, Miss Cynthia Austin. It's Corky Hurd out of Tameron Hyundai. I want to thank you for your inquiry into the 2015 Sonata. I've pulled up one here that's just absolutely gorgeous. This is a 2.0T Turbo Limited package, so it's got some amazing features on it. First of all, you can see the way the new design sculpted. They've added some chrome in here to dress up the outside. This one has a panoramic sunroof. Has the remote entry system where you just touch the key here. You just touch the brake pedal inside. You can start the car without taking the key out of your purse. This has the big alloy, 19-inch alloy wheels. This has also got leather interior. It's got heated seats throughout. Up in the front, the seats are heated and cooled. It's got memory selection on the seats over here. You've got all these controls here on the steering wheel. Got cruise control buttons. You got your radio controls. You can scroll through all of your panel options as well. Big old 8-inch screen over there in the middle. That's for your navigation system. It's also a touch screen for your radio and navigation. That converts to a backup camera. As you can see, this thing's really loaded out. It's got a new feature called Smart Cruise Control. I'll explain that to you when you come in. Cynthia, again, my name's Corky Hurd. I'm at Tameron, and at Tameron Hyundai, we double the powertrain warranty. It's already the best in the industry at 10-year, 100,000. We make it a 20-year, 200,000 mile. We've got 5 years on the roadside assistance. We've got a bumper-to-bumper warranty also for 5 years. Cynthia, call me. You can call me direct at 205-337-8139. You can reach me through the dealer at 205-380-6250. Please call me and let's get together and get you one of these new Sonatas. Thanks, Cynthia.